In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Etsy desktop shipping. We'll walk through configuring shipping for a new listing on Etsy's desktop site so your buyers see clear costs and accurate delivery expectations. Start by opening your shop manager on Etsy. From the left-hand menu, go to Listings, then choose Add a Listing. Once your draft opens, head straight to the Pricing and Delivery tab. This is where you'll set delivery, processing, and returns so customers know when to expect their order and what it will cost. Choose a processing profile that fits this item, or select the one you use most often. Be realistic here, processing time is separate from the carrier's transit time, and accurate estimates help you avoid late ship penalties and support tickets. You'll also see the Ready to Dispatch setting. Adjust this if the item takes more or less time than your default, especially for custom or made-to-order products. Next, choose a delivery option and click Create Option to build a shipping setup tailored to this listing. When you reach postage prices, enter the shipping cost you'll charge. Tip: weigh your item in its final packaging and note its dimensions before you enter rates. Include the box, padding, and inserts so you don't undercharge, and consider the average distance to your typical customers. Enter your origin postal code exactly as it appears for your pickup or drop-off location. This is essential for accurate calculations and delivery estimates. Then specify where you'll deliver. Keep it domestic, select specific countries, or open it worldwide. If you ship internationally, account for customs processing time and any carrier restrictions in your listing description. Choose your delivery services next. Balance cost and speed, and consider tracked services for higher value orders to protect both you and the buyer. If you'd like, you can enable free delivery. Many sellers build that cost into the item price to keep margins healthy. Finally, click Save as a Delivery Profile so you can reuse these settings, then choose Save as Profile and apply to attach it to this listing. That's it, your Etsy desktop shipping is set up and ready to go.